My name is Michael Vann. I've been teaching now for about 10 years, and I'm the Agri-Science FFA advisor here at Geneva High School in Big Geneva, Alabama. I've got a passion not only for agriculture, but for FFA, what it represents, and the opportunities that I get to teach to my student. FFA is rich in tradition, especially at Geneva High School, and we're fortunate enough that we've been able to win several awards over the years. We've actually got banners as far back as 1946 that hangs on our walls here in our FFA chapter here at our school, and which we're continuing to add to our tradition here at the school as we've been winning multiple awards over the past several years. As an FFA advisor, I also get to teach skills to my students. I'm fortunate enough to get to teach such skills as electrical, welding, construction, plumbing, and I also teach horticulture to my students. I like trying to teach my students multiple skills. That way whenever they leave me, that they take their skill set and it allows them to go find a job out there in society to get them employed. I enjoyed teaching welding. I learned to weld actually when I was in high school myself, and I've had several students over the years that I've been able to place in welding jobs across the whole Wiregrass area. We enjoy building special projects. We build all kinds of special projects here at the school, but we also do for the community. We do it for our local farmers, anyone that needs any help. We're here to pitch in and help them any way we can. We enjoy it. I've actually got some of the best FFA officers you can find in the state. We actually get to go to state convention every year, which we also compete at the state convention. We also get to go to the National FFA convention. And my students, it's a big honor and it's an opportunity for them, especially some of my students don't ever get to leave this area, to get to travel across multiple states to attend FFA convention. Again, we like helping our local area, especially farmers, anyone that needs help. We do special projects, you name it. We also involved with cookouts here locally. Especially we're helping with our fundraisers, anything to help us with our FFA chapter. We do special projects such as mineral feeders for our farmers. We actually build trailers. We actually do welding on trailers. Anything it can that we can actually build or fix, we're involved on it. We actually just got through repairing and rebuilding an engine the other day. Again, as an FFA advisor, I like to teach leadership stuff to my kids, to my students. We have a string band here, and we actually placed in top 10 in the state of Alabama this previous year. And we've had the opportunity to perform at the National Peanut Festival and our area River Festival, which has been a great honor for my students. My motto that I tell my students all the time is work hard, work smart, work together. Again, I'm very fortunate. I have a great job, great opportunity to teach skills to my students, and I love the FFA, and this is me.